Hey, you two, what have you got there then?
I've got purple putty.
Yeah.
I got pink putty.
It's like, is it like Play-Doh, is it?
Yeah, it looks like, but it is like Play-Doh, but it isn't Play-Doh.
Oh, okay.
So can we open
Yeah, go on, you open that.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's like putty. It looks like putty all there. It is putty. It says, smell like that.
Oh, yeah. Smells like some Play-Doh, doesn't it?
It's nice though. It's not really messy.
Oh, it's like Play-Doh, though, isn't it?
Look at that, George. Wow! Ooh. Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, it's from Techniquest.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Did you have fun there today? Huh?
Yeah, we had fun.
It was good, wasn't it?
Right, are you gonna like...
Are you going to make some, Ed?
Yeah. I'm gonna get some more of it today.
Let's get some more of this stuff, innit?
Yeah, we have to get some more of it.
Yeah.
One of these, because I lost these.
Yeah.
Mommy said we can get some more, so we can get more. And Mommy, because it's not really messy, that's why she needs to get more.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright then. You play nice for them now, alright? Okay?
You're going to film us.
Yeah. Okay, bye.